What is a Euclidean plane in geometry? Have you ever wondered what a Euclidean plane is in the world of geometry? Let's break it down in a simple way. A Euclidean plane is a flat, two-dimensional surface that stretches infinitely in all directions. Imagine a vast, endless sheet of paper that has length and width but no thickness. This concept is fundamental in Euclidean geometry, which is the study of shapes, angles, and figures. In this plane, every point can be identified using two real numbers, which we often refer to as coordinates. These coordinates are typically written in the form of x, y. This system is known as the Cartesian plane. It allows us to pinpoint exact locations of points and measure distances and angles accurately. One of the key features of the Euclidean plane is that it includes concepts like parallel lines. These are lines that run alongside each other and never intersect. This property helps us understand how shapes interact with one another in this space. Now let's look at some important properties of the Euclidean plane. First, it extends infinitely, meaning there are no edges or boundaries. Second, the shortest distance between any two points on this plane is always a straight line. This is a fundamental principle that helps in measuring distances. Another interesting fact is that angles and distances can be measured consistently due to the plane's structure. For example, in a triangle, the interior angles always add up to 180 degrees. This consistency is what makes geometry so fascinating. Circles are another shape that can be defined in the Euclidean plane. A circle consists of all points that are at a fixed distance, known as the radius, from a center point. This definition helps us visualize and understand circles better. While a true Euclidean plane is an abstract idea, we can find real-world examples that help us understand it better. Think of a flat tabletop, a whiteboard, or even the calm surface of a lake. These surfaces serve as practical illustrations of the concepts we discuss in plane geometry. In essence, the Euclidean plane is the foundational two-dimensional space where many aspects of classical geometry take place. It is essential for grasping core ideas like shapes, angles, and the relationships between points and lines. Understanding this concept opens the door to a whole world of geometric exploration.